Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to 6th Gear Auto. My name is Sam, and today is kind of bittersweet, kind of sad, because while it is a cars and coffee day, it is my last one in Pittsburgh. I am moving down to Fort Worth, Texas, as I mentioned in the last video, which by the time this goes up, I'll already be there most likely. But I've got the Altima Coupe parked up over there next to the S2K, and gonna just see what kind of things show up. It's still very early into the event, 6 minutes since it started, that's about it. But yeah, hopefully it's a good showing today, and let's have some fun. Arguably the best version of the M5 ever. Got a very loud Mustang over there with green wheels in front of the LC 500. Stance left, bruh. Stance left, bruh. CTSV, Carrera GTS. Wait, Carrera GTS with a cage. That's awesome. The Cambio Corsa, this is the Spider, obviously. The one I'm looking into is a coupe, but it's just one of my favorite cars, and this one's rare, because you can see manual, proper transmission for this car. So we've got a few things here that I'm actually happy to see, because I know Jawbreaker Rally is holding an event very soon. So we've got two of them here. We've got a modified Mountoon modded Focus RS, as well as an Audi R8. We've got Tim's Viper, and we've got a GT3 rolling in. MP4 12C. Love these cars so much. We've got V10 M5. V10 M5.
Yeah.
Absolutely love these.
Yeah, they're sweet.
Yeah. How's it been treating you?
Give and take here and there. I'm definitely daily driving it, so I'm not, babying. It's not sitting in the garage. I think I put like 6,000 to 8,000 miles on it this year. That's freaking awesome.
That is gorgeous. He had the 007 edition one before. Cars are starting to show up more. We got the ZR1 Corvette guy's car coming in. We got the Vanquish, but I've seen that car one time so far, and it is just amazing to see. Evora 400. And they did go with the right transmission. This is so sick though. AMG GT sedan. That is amazing looking.
It really is.
And the color is perfect.
That's a fantastic color.
Yeah. And
I like how they're all special editions too. Special edition 1. Special edition 2. So I thought when they show up. They're all special editions. Pirelli edition. Standing here when you said it.
And Brian's here. Travis Scott's old Aventador Pirelli edition. Up here now. Puppies. Hello, puppies. Puppies. Wow.
Whoa! That's a horse stuff.
That is gorgeous. Whoa.
As soon as it tells you the price, they'll tell you right away. Yeah, right.
And it does have the Porsche Club stuff on it too.
As a over the Corvette, I'd have to drive it. I don't think I would. But it still wouldn't be as fast.
It's swapped too. It's a supercharged engine instead of the turbo.
I like how it gives you a twist that doesn't exactly fit.
Yeah.
It's close.
That's so cool though. Mount-tuned modding. That's probably putting about 400 horsepower in that RS. Z4M coupe. So some of you might remember Corey, who until recently had a 1200 horsepower GTR. Now has this wide-bodied green GTR, and it's just gorgeous looking. Like, the red striping and the green is a combination I don't know if I would do, but like, it looks really good. Old Alpha. This one I haven't seen here before. It's another 720 in Papaya Spark. It looks so good. Oh boy.
Yeah, man. So yeah, I'm so close. I just had it wear my sleeve. I'm like, I just watched a lot of, I don't.
R-Line, Polestar tune. WRX, STI. GT2 RS. Yeah, that's the drift car.
See, I'm not getting it right away.
That's so good. About time I see it.
Worked up 2 tires completely. But so like those things on the road, any sort of rain is fucked. Those cars, the tires fucking suck on the road. They're only good for like racing. Going to the track, the super sports.
That's for his bumper.
Yeah. Sport exhaust is open already.
Yeah.
It's amazing how quick it changes the sound, isn't it?
Yeah.
You click one button and it sounds like that.
Plastic everywhere. And the thing is,
But I don't have a problem with it because Nissan's the same way.
well, yeah, I mean, it's not terrible, but here's the thing too. People have made aftermarket to help fix that. You can start putting shit in there.
I agree. so much to do.
Every time I see Mustang, I just think burnout.
It's a Mustang.
He didn't want to let that go.
No, he doesn't. He really doesn't want to.
That's a great car. It's pretty expensive.
Like 5 minutes past.
See, the thing is, you got to remember to charge a Tesla.
Wow. I mean, my parents were like day before. I mean, again, I wouldn't get to drive with them. That was the thing.
Right.